Are you suffering from a sleep disorder? Do you have a loved one at risk? Are you still looking for effective treatment?
Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Greenburg. What many people believe is simple snoring can actually be a serious danger signal. Loud snoring, waking up fatigued, or falling asleep during the day could signify sleep apnea, the not-so-silent killer. Sleep apnea affects over 18 million Americans. Untreated, it contributes to heart attacks, high blood pressure, and stroke. Corrective treatment can stop the damage, but you have to take action. If you've been diagnosed with sleep apnea and are CPAP intolerant, are considering surgery, or just aren't sure, I want to talk to you about our new non-invasive breakthrough treatment that restores healthy sleep patterns and allows you to regain a normal life.
Treatment is covered by most insurance, even Medicare. To see if you qualify for a free consultation with Dr. Jonathan Greenburg, contact our office today.